Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. The ongoing protests against Tuesday's viral video of a nurse being assaulted by a man have reached fever pitch. Today, hundreds of nurses and other healthcare workers marched on parish capitals island-wide to condemn violence against women. As Kelisha Williams reports, there are strong appeals for justice to be served against 65-year-old Robert Bell, who has been charged for the incident.
Scenes across the corporate area Monday morning. The police maintaining the peace as nurses, other healthcare workers and hundreds of other placard bearers took to the streets.
No excuse for abuse! No excuse for abuse!
It is the climax of the island-wide condemnation of Tuesday's viral video, which showed a nurse being...
That things supposed to cannot happen like this because we get injustice at work, on the roads, we are ill-treated, mistreated on any given platform.
What we want to achieve is that we hope that when our men see us on the road, they'll more want to protect us than harm us.
I am very happy today to know that Jamaica is standing with us, because when I look around, it's not only nurses that are standing here. There are men, there are women, there are children. Everybody is here, and we are so happy that persons have understood that there's a call and we must answer to the call.
The protest also drew the attention of government ministers Dr. Christopher Tufton, Olivia Grange and Juliet Cuthbert Flynn, who also marched throughout the corporate area with the healthcare workers.
The perpetrator must be brought to justice. The police is investigating, and we're calling on them, of course, to do their jobs as they normally do, and that the justice system takes its course.
What kind of human being are you? I hope you do not have children. What kind of human being are you? And I think that is what he must ask himself today when you look right across Jamaica to see what is happening, where people have gathered because we are tired.
In Portland, it was a similar story, a show of solidarity among healthcare workers attached to the Port Antonio Hospital.
It is extremely traumatic, and that is why we are here in the sun to stand against violence against women, children, just against violence in general.
In the neighboring parish of St. Mary, nurses raised concerns about what they described as the lack of fairness in how justice is carried out against different categories of Jamaicans.
Because what we realize is that is a who you know mentality, and some persons just get off with a slap on the wrist. And it also depends on where you live. And we also want that the FLA looks into how they allocate guns and gun license to persons within our jurisdiction.
Healthcare workers in St. Anne also joined the call for justice as they lined the streets of St. Anne's Bay singing songs of peace. As for the Western region, healthcare workers at the Savannah Lamar Public General Hospital braved the morning sun to send a message to the perpetrators of violence against women.
And if they kill the woman, how do we have children? So we have no future. You need to get the head together. Stop the violence now.
We are tired of losing our children. We are tired of losing our women. We are tired of the abuse. We are tired of the common disregard for all that we have been going through.
The solution to the problem is for both sexes to have some respect for each other.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.
Now, Prime Minister.